Start.
Myself, I'm Charan. I'm from Puttur, Andhra Pradesh. I did my graduation in Anna City, Chennai. After that, I joined Qspider in the month of August. It's around some months. XPL was taught by Diploma and manual testing was taught by Amashankar sir and Java was taught by Akshay sir and Selenium was taught by Anirudh sir. Before I joined Qspider, I didn't have any technical knowledge. After joining, I got knowledge about it. Yesterday I got placed in Alan Technologies with 3.5 LPA. There were 4 rounds. First round is technical round. First round is aptitude, then technical. After that, HR and manager round. That's it.
Start.
Grooming classes are so helpful to me to crack the interviews. It's if we take grooming classes, we'll crack our interview. It's so helpful to us.
Start.
I would like to thank the faculties, HRs, Akshay sir and Shyamala ma'am, and Chandana ma'am. He taught me the grooming.